Welcome to our installation guide for setting up a photovoltaic system on your balcony. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to ensure a successful and safe installation. This video is also applicable to garden and wall solar system. 1. Preparation. Before you start, make sure you've read the manufacturer's instructions and safety guidelines. Also, gather all the necessary equipment for the installation. AC extension cable plug, screws and screwdriver. Start by assessing your balcony and planning the layout. Consider the number and positioning of solar panels, ensuring enough space for proper ventilation. 2. Installation. Step 1. Mount microinverters onto the rack. Install the photovoltaic bracket according to the instructions for the balcony photovoltaic bracket. Use a tape measure to mark out the installation points. Mount microinverter under PV modules at the installation points and avoid rain and sun. Step 2. Grounding. Fix the screws to the microinverter installation hole. Make sure that the grounding screw thread pierced into the bracket to get the best grounding effect. Step 3. Install Wi-Fi antenna. Install a Wi-Fi antenna for better Wi-Fi signal. Rotate the antenna clockwise until it is firmly secured to the EVT microinverter. Step 4. Fasten AC cables. Fasten AC cables to the rack with cable ties. Step 5. Connect PV modules to microinverters. Connect each PV module with the DC input cables of the microinverter. Step 6. Connect AC cable plug to the socket and switch on the PV system. Ensure all connection is completed, and then use the AC extension cable plug to connect the microinverter with the socket to switch on the PV system. Wi-Fi configuration. After switch on the PV system, Wi-Fi configuration is needed. To access our application, you can scan the QR code provided below or search for EnverView on the Google Play Store or Apple Store for download. Step 1. Open EnverTech app and click Wi-Fi. Select EVT to connect. Step 2. Select a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and return to the app. Then enter the password of 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Please allow EnverTech app to use your location, or you will fail to configure your Wi-Fi. Step 3. Connect the network whose name is as same as your EVT's SN and return to the app. Please allow EnverTech app to find and connect to devices on your local network. If not, it also causes configuration failure. Step 4. Click Configuration and wait for success. Additional training resources can be found online at www.envertech.com, including manuals and other support documents.